Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to attach files in ActiveCampaign emails. This is incredibly useful when you need to share documents, PDFs, or resources directly with your email subscribers without relying on external file sharing services. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account's main dashboard to complete this task. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your campaigns and content. Click on Email, which will open up additional options related to your email marketing efforts. From there, click on Content. This is the section where all your files, templates, and media assets are stored, making it the perfect place to upload the file you want to attach. Now you'll see an option to add a file. Click on Add a File, and this will prompt you to select the file from your computer that you want to attach to your email. Browse through your folders, locate the file you need, and upload it. This might take a moment depending on the file size, so be patient while it processes. After your file has been uploaded successfully, you'll see it appear in your content library. Click on the file you just uploaded to select it. Next, look for the settings icon associated with that file, and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Get URL. This action generates a direct link to your file. Go ahead and copy this URL, as you'll need it in the next steps. This link is what allows your subscribers to access the file when they click on it in your email. Now it's time to integrate this file into your actual email campaign. Click on Campaign from the left side menu and select the specific campaign where you want to include this file. This takes you to the overview of that campaign where you can see all its details and settings on the preview of your campaign. Click on Edit Design. This opens up the email editor where you can make changes to the layout, text, and links within your email. Here's where you'll actually insert the file link into your message. In the email editor, select or highlight the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be something like download the guide here or click to access your file. Once the text is highlighted, click on the Add Link icon, which typically looks like a chain link symbol. A dialog box will appear, and this is where you'll paste the URL you copied earlier. Paste the link into the provided field and then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file to your ActiveCampaign email by linking it through text. Your subscribers will now be able to click that link and access the file directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.